Hello and welcome, I'm Maginpanic and today we're gonna watch another yet Brawl Stars animations. The summer of Monster update. Let's jump straight into this video, there's no time to waste. Apart from the videos the two videos that I watched before, this one is 2D actually, which is different. Max. Hello. Yo, this motion here. This motion here is not something you can do quick and easy. The character is rotating. He have all those things that are flying around. This jacket, this hoodie. I love this smear frame. But this is a tough thing to animate. So there's no room for making it easy, the easy way. Yo, how the ground collapses. So all the cracks start showing and the building just destroys everything here. There's no room to make it easy, no room. These have to be hard, Michael Bay style. I like how we have the slow motion at the first thing. It's something that always happening when you have a huge monster. These, as we saw a shot earlier, huge monsters, like of the size of the buildings. So when you have a shot like this, when a huge monster hits something, it's huge. And to maintain the size of the object that's being crushed, you have to make it slow. So it's getting slow not only because we wanted to have kind of like a slow motion, but it's because of those monsters' size and how far we are from this. You can see when we change the shot to the small character, those rocks are moving way smaller because they are just closer to us, even though the size of this object is kind of the same, but it gets the idea of the size of those monsters. I appreciate that. So many cool things and so many cool solutions for animations. I'm looking on those wings. They are just in the weird shape like this to make it like flying around. And you have that idea in your eyes. It works, but those images are, as you saw, just kind of weird. Love those explosions here, but it's not super precise as it was in the previous two videos. So that's a cool thing that they switch this 2D into 3D and they invest more into special effects. The silhouette is cool, although I don't like it looks super even, so many like even strains every direction. I don't know, but it works okay, just fine for this video, keeps the vibe. Search. Alright. That was a bit too fast. As I said on the previous shots, this is a huge monster, so this effect should disappear way slower than just 1-2 frames. it could work in a different way. If we wanted to show the silhouette of the character, it could just blow out from this hole and just stays there. Let me draw something. It could just do something like this and kind of on transparency blend with the background, so we will have the clear view on the face of the robot. That would be one solution, and I might try at least do this instead of doing this quick thing. That's a very nice thing to have this liquid on the screen, like throwing into the camera, and then we stay in this kind of slow motion shot. I love the shapes in this one. And overall, Brawl Stars, as always, top-notch video. There was no room for simplifications other than the style that have no outline, but other than that, well made with the animation and all those details. This character have so many different things around that had to be moving and had to maintain the size and volume. And I also love the use of those smear frames here and there. Even on things like this heel here or the finger that is bending. This video is fulfilled with such pieces, and I have nothing but love to this. That might be it. If I would be asked to find my favorite shot from this video, would be probably this first run, kind of like dancing, because that's just so well made. I can imagine doing such like rotation, running cycle, as well jumping. There is everything in this shot, so I really love that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a sick day and see you around on the next video. Cheers.